ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ನೌಕರರ ಪರವಾಗಿ EPS ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ದರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರ ಆಪ್ತ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋವು ಏನೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾವ ಏನೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Hundreds of protesters gathered in front of the office of Union Minister Prahlad Joshi in Hubli, demanding that EPS pensioners benefit from implementing the Bhagat Singh Koshyari report, among other demands. Slogans like "We want justice, we want pension" were raised in the protest. The protest was organized by the Labour Pension Scheme Pensioners Welfare Mahamandal. The chairman of the Mahamandal, R.P. Korpade, said several requests were already made to the central government and Union Minister Joshi to implement the Bhagat Singh Koshyari report, but did not get any result. Describing the difficulties of employees, he said there are 6.5 lakh pensionable employees in the state. If the pension of these employees is increased, there will be no financial burden on the government. He said that if the report isn't implemented within 23 days, all the employees of Hubli will go on a satyagraha to death. They even submitted a letter of appeal to the Union Minister's assistant, Muralidhara Malagi. Mahamandal Secretary S.S. Mahajan, Treasurer A.R. Hunagunda and others were present. A committee headed by Bhagat Singh Koshyari, formed by the central government, had recommended that retired employees who worked in private and public organizations be given a pension of Rs 3,000 and a duty allowance every 2 years. But even after 10 years, the report still needs to be implemented. At present, only Rs 1,000 is given to retired employees. Since it is difficult to maintain a family with this pension, the protesters demanded the immediate implementation of the report. Reportage by Kalmesh Mandayal, Salar News, Hubli. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.